Hey friends, if you wish to fix hardlock.sys blue screen of death error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to update the drivers. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options in the right pane, select optional updates and install them. Then go to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. Okay, so we have updated the drivers and Windows. Now if this doesn't work, I'm telling you it's a very difficult error to resolve. If this doesn't work, then perform a system restore on your computer. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore. Select next, choose a good restore point. Select next, finish, and then finally click on yes to initiate the process. Lastly, if everything else fails, then you can reset Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then in the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then finally select cloud download and then next to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.